Hello Internet, welcome back, welcome to my channel. My name is Tori, and today I have a late update for the Say Good Day to Project Panning. This is a Pantastics ladies collab. This started on the 26th of January and will end next month on the 26th of July. This was created by Isabella Grace. She's Beauty by Bella here on YouTube. Her and the master list will be linked down below as always. Yeah, let's just jump right into it. There's no empties, but there is progress. So as always, we are starting off with the category Aussie, 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 oi, 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 and that is an item that is, or the packaging itself is green or yellow or gold. So I picked the ABH single in 10K. Now, I don't have photos for last month because I've been off my game and I didn't take them for specifically this eyeshadow. Since the last update, I did use this eyeshadow 3 times. It's definitely not going to be finished by the next update, but hopefully I can use it 3 to 5 more times before then. I think that will be my goal with this guy. It is in my project pan, so I am going to continue to work on it no matter what, but yeah, it's not going to be finished. Next is Shrimp on the Barbie, and that is a product that everyone hates and you love, or vice versa. So I have the Wet n Wild Porcelain Foundation. So I marked this a couple days ago and it's at the second pink line. I think it might be a little lower now. Since the last update, I've used it 10 times, so nice. But even though I'm close to the end at this, and I would probably assume that I have like 10 to 15 more uses to go till it's like done, it's not my shade anymore. And it's actually too light for me, which is rare, but because of COVID, I've actually been outside. I have been wearing sunscreen, but the theory is that since this all happened and a lot of production was stopped for a long time, that we actually don't have that much protection from UV rays because we don't have smog protecting us from the holes in the ozone layer that we created. So my face actually is burned right now, but it did cover up my red all here, so you can't tell. But yeah, I'm currently my other shade in this. Well, yeah, I guess I'm the other shade that I have in this. But I am gonna still try to use it. I think I'm just going to have to do it on days that I typically don't want to wear makeup. The week I'm filming this, the past 4 days before today, I pretty much didn't wear makeup. So on those days, I think I'm going to have to at least slap this on my face. That sounds aggressive, but you know what I mean. Because I do want this done. I don't support them anymore. It's so close to being done. So I think that this is something that, even if I'm not wearing makeup, I'm going to start wearing this. But yeah. That's something that hopefully will be done by the next update. It should be, hopefully. Yeah. The next item is Dangerous Animals, and that's a product that makes you look fierce. So I picked the Urban Decay lipstick in Bun Bun. This is what it's currently looking like. I've used this 13 times since the last update. I've been starting to really focus on this. It has really nice dip from using it a lot. I'm still gonna try to finish it by the next update, well, by the finale. Do I think I will be able to completely finish it? I don't know. Possibly. I really like reaching for it. It's a nice color, but I have so many lipsticks that are the same exact color. So possibly this might be done. If it's not, it's okay. But I want to say that there might be a good chance that it's done if I keep my game going with lipstick. I've used up a lot of lipstick so far recently. And then the last item is Vegemite for breakfast, lunch, and tea, a product you can use every day and never get sick of. So I picked the Victoria's Secret Bombshell Paris Fragrance Mints. Yeah, it's pretty much right under that gray line. It's so close. I don't think I'll be able to finish it by the finale, but I'm gonna still try to continually make progress. I've used it only 12 times since the last update. Yeah, I've just been really bad with this. I've noticed instead of reaching for perfume, I reached for facial sprays to spray my face instead of spraying my whole body with a nice scent. Yeah, I don't know how that happened, but I need to pick this back up. And I even, like, I can use it as room spray, so I need to remember I can do it and use it like that. But yeah, I don't think this is gonna be finished by the finale, but I'm gonna try to make some nice progress. So that was it for this month. Sadly, obviously no empties, but hopefully we'll have an empty or two by the finale. If not, it's okay. I love Australia, so I'm fine with this project pan kind of low-key being a fail at the end. My card's full, so I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and peace out, Girl Scout.